on your knees. You're gonna get tased.
What the fuck?
On your knees. Get on your knees. Turn around.
On the ground before you get tased.
Just before 1 a.m. on November 5th, Monroe County Sheriff's deputies attempted to stop a Dodge with a headlight out. Instead of pulling over, deputies say the driver took off down US 1, reaching speeds of nearly 90 miles per hour. The chase finally came to an end near mile marker 9 after the vehicle struck a concrete median and damaged its tires. According to deputies, the driver resisted as they attempted to take him into custody, allegedly kicking one deputy in the chest. And once inside the patrol car, he reportedly continued fighting, repeatedly banging his head against the partition.
I got him 90, then I saw a lot of smoke. I see the front driver's side tire is busted. I don't know if anyone is inside or not. Are you calling? You calling him out?
I can call him out.
Oh, you haven't can? You try better. Go ahead.
Driver! Step out of the vehicle! Driver! Let yourself be known! Driver of the Dodge white car! I see you in the mirror. Step out the vehicle. Step out the vehicle and let me see your hands.
Face away!
Face away! Turn around!
Away.
Turn around!
Hands in the air!
Turn around! Hands in the air!
Stop.
Yeah! Hands in the air! Now walk backwards! Walk back! Face the other way!
You guys are doing too much for a traffic stop.
Okay. Keep your hands in the air.
Just stay here. Stay with us. Call him to us.
Walk back. Walk backwards.
Are you supposed to come to the fucking driver door and ask
Shut up, up and comply with the orders. Face away.
What'd you tell me?
Face away.
What'd you tell me? In the air. You say shut up?
Yes, face away. No.
What do you mean? You're gonna shoot
Okay.
me? For real?
Taser.
No.
Taser. Someone go to
You're gonna tase me?
Yep.
Now, on your knees. On your
Get on your knees. Get on your knees. You're gonna get tased.
Bro, what the
On your knees. Get on your knees. Turn around.
On the ground before you get tased. Check on. On the ground.
You guys ain't from here. What the
I didn't even do it. Shut up. What the? Shut up.
did I do? What the did I do? What the did I do?
Code block.
Hands on your back.
What the did I do? Wait,
Hands on your back.
Hands behind your back.
What the did I do? Wait,
Hands behind your back.
Lay down.
Down.
I'm gonna get a lawyer, man.
Hands behind your back. Now.
What the man?
Got him.
I'm gonna get a lawyer, man.
Hands behind your back.
What did I do? Wait, hold up. You need to tell me what I did.
Dude, hands behind your back.
You need to tell me what I did.
Dude, hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased.
For real. I'm
Hands behind your back. Now.
I'm gonna
Get your hands behind your back or you get tased.
What did I do, man? He is resisting. How am I resisting? I didn't do anything. You pull me over and don't tell me what I get put over.
Got him. Good.
You don't even ask, bro. You don't even ask.
One
me.
male secured.
You don't even ask me for nothing. Driver's license for nothing. You don't ask me for nothing.
Don't have to.
Yeah, you do. What the? Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Stop moving, dude. We're gonna zoom back.
What are you
Zoom
gonna
normal.
do? I'm already
Stop
handcuffed.
resisting.
I'm already handcuffed.
Stop resisting.
What are you gonna tase me?
You might still get tased. Don't
Then
worry.
Do it, man. Cause you already violated my rights. You already violated my rights.
He's good.
You didn't let
He
me
ain't
out
going
the
nowhere.
car.
Anything on him?
No, I don't have shit, man.
That you were.
Bro, you didn't even give me a chance, man. You don't even give me a
Stay down.
chance.
There you go. He ain't going now.
You don't even let me give me a chance. You arrest me, you don't even...
Ryan, that you?
You can't do that.
Right, Ryan.
You cannot do that.
You got anything on you? Guns, knives, needles, weapons?
No, I don't have a weapon, man. You
When a
cannot
cop gives you an
arrest
order, you
somebody.
comply.
God damn, you cannot do that.
Yes, we can.
You can't. You gotta ask me for registration and license. Everything.
Did you go to law school?
Man,
You a
you
cop?
have to go to law school, boy.
You a cop?
You're not even a cop. I used to work for the sheriff's department. Look me up, stupid ass.
Who are you?
Stupid ass. You're stupid.
Who are you?
Stupid. You gotta do that. Look me up, man. Look me up.
What'd you do for the sheriff's office?
Look me up, man. Talk to me.
Maybe you got arrested by the sheriff's office.
You can't do whatever you want, man. You can't just pull somebody over and tell them to get on the floor. That's not how the law works.
Actually, it does.
I'm gonna get a lawyer. What?
Good for you.
I get a lawyer every time I go to jail. You cannot do that, man. Good. You cannot do that.
That's your legal right to obtain counsel.
You can't do that. Hello?
You can call it issue, you already got her business card in here, so. She works for the public defender's office.
You can't just fucking do whatever you want, man.
That's his deal.
You don't have to license, registration, nothing. You told me to get out the car and that's it. From 20 feet away, 30 feet away.
Okay.
You can't do that.
Actually, case law says I can. There's case law that says I'm entitled to, and I'm allowed to.
Bro, get your weight off me.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You keep trying to get up and tense up every time I check you.
Bro, my face is on the ground, man.
All right, sit on your butt.
You can't just arrest.
I can.
What? Say what the you want to say, man.
Okay, no, stop your jack on the ground.
God damn, what the f?
South. There we go. You want to tense up and push back into me?
What? Yeah,
I'm gonna
because
stop you again.
this
That's
is
fine.
bullshit. Because this is all bullshit right here.
That's fine.
This is all bullshit right here, man. You
You
can't
need to
just
calm
pull-
down, dude.
No, because
this is
you.
a simple traffic stop that you turned
No,
into a lot
what?
more.
Are you serious? This is a simple traffic stop.
You are under the arrest for
Bro.
fleeing eluding.
How am I fleeing and eluding?
You're gonna read in my report.
Bro, you told me to get out the car and back up before you even came up to the. I waited for you to come to the window. I waited for you to come to the window.
All right, we gave you orders.
You didn't come to. Did you come to the window?
You
need to.
charged with felony fleeing eluding.
You didn't come to the window. How a felony?
Felony, yes. Felony.
You didn't come to the window.
You're going with me
I
tonight.
asked you to go to the window.
Yep. Here you go.
I waited for you to go to the window. You didn't go. I waited in the car for 10 minutes.
Yeah,
All right.
thank you for waiting. Stand up now.
Can you stand up?
I
1, 2, 3. Stand up.
I waited in the car for you to come to the window. Nobody came to the window.
All right.
Did I not stop?
Let's walk to
Hello?
this vehicle.
Did I not? Bro, stop. Bro, did I not stop in the car? But I waited. Didn't I?
All right, look straight, please.
Look.
Man, I'm gonna look nowhere. Did I not wait? Did I not wait for you to come to the fucking car?
You did wait. That was very nice of
And
you.
why
And
you
then
still treating me
then
like
you
this?
got out when we asked you to get out. Sit in the car. What's wrong with you, dude? Sit in the car.
All right, you're gonna get tased, man.
Stop, man.
Like a,
What the f did I do though?
Get in the car.
What did I
Get
do
in.
though? What did I
In the
do?
car.
What did I do?
Sit down.
I waited for you, man.
Sit down.
I knew you were gonna do that. Would have went worse.
You just caught a battery.
But no, I did not. What the?
Sit down.
All right,
We got
I
it.
didn't even touch you, man.
calm
Sit down.
I didn't touch you.
Sit in the car,
You gonna
dude.
put that charge on me for what?
Sit in the car.
I waited for you in the car to get me, man.
Take a seat.
I waited for you to say something. Get to the car, right?
Take a seat. We're gonna talk
All right.
in a moment. You need to
Sit down.
Well, that's bullshit, man. Oh, I got charges on me, man. That's some
Sit
fucking
down.
shit.
That way he can talk to
I got a
you.
life too. What the is he talking
Sit
about?
down so he can talk to you.
take a
Go
seat.
grab
I'm gonna
his
wait
stuff
for
and
you
just
to
put it on
come
the front
down,
of
and then we're gonna talk.
Battering officer for what? I didn't touch it. I got my handcuffs right
Sit
here.
down.
You need to take a seat.
You guys didn't rough me up the whole night, man?
Take a seat.
Sit down.
Come on, man. You guys already putting me in jail. You can put more shit on me? Come on, man.
Just take a seat. We're
Just
gonna
sit down. That way you don't keep
I don't got
catching
nothing
shit.
in the car. I waited for you to come
Okay.
to the car.
talk. Sit down.
I waited for you to come to the car.
Sit
That's
down.
fine.
But why you don't ask for a license registration? Why?
Listen, you're yelling. I'm
No.
not gonna talk
All right,
to
sir.
you like that.
All right, sir,
I
sir,
wanna,
sir,
I
sir.
wanna take a seat.
Sir, why you don't ask me for get license registration in the car?
It doesn't.
It matters. It matters.
I don't,
Does
I
not.
don't need it. No.
You don't
Put it
need
on.
it.
Take a
Kevin,
seat.
put on the driver's side.
I want to talk to him,
Put-
man. I want to talk to him. Who
Sit
am I
down.
talking to?
You're talking to me. Take a seat.
Because
Sit down.
everybody I talked to had no sense. It's crazy.
Sit down for
Did you
us.
have anything to drink today?
No, I have nothing to drink. It's just
No?
you guys are f***ing crazy,
Take
man.
a seat.
You can't take somebody. That's crazy.
Okay, listen.
I've never had nobody do that,
Listen,
man.
I'm asking you nicely now. Take a seat. I don't want to force you inside, but that's what I'm gonna do if you're not gonna take a seat.
But I'm telling you, you
Just sit
cannot
down.
do what you just did.
Take
Just
a
sit
seat.
down, that way he can
Everyone
talk to
gonna
you.
come down and we're gonna have a chat. But for now, I
He
need
is
you
going to
take,
talk to you,
take a
but
seat
you got to
in my
sit down
car.
for us.
You gotta drag me out the car and just make me do whatever you wanted.
Take a seat.
You can't. That's not how it works.
Don't tell me how it works. Take a seat. Take a seat. Listen. You're gonna do it.
Y'all gonna put that charges on me for real? Battering a Leo or whatever?
Just sit down.
Sit
That way
down
he
for
can
me.
talk to you. That way you're not catching charges.
I'm
Just
gonna
sit
explain
in
you
the car.
everything.
You guys telling me I already caught a
Sit
charge.
in the
Why don't
car.
catch more?
All right, listen. This is the last time I'm asking you to take a seat. Or I'm gonna
Sit in the
then
car.
I'm gonna force you
I
to
didn't
take
steal a
it.
car. What are you talking about?
He didn't
Take
say
a
you
seat.
stole a car. He's talking about something else. Sit down.
Man, what you doing, man? Hey, watch out,
Your
man.
side
What you
clear.
doing? What are you doing, man? Hey, relax, man. Hey, man,
Lex.
watch your out, man. What are you doing?
Sit up.
I told
You
many
can't fucking
times.
touch me like that. What the are you talking about?
Take a seat.
Got him.
Get your leg in the car.
You really gonna do that? You really gonna do that, man?
Get your leg in the car, bro.
Just close it.
Bro, you don't even know what they did to me, Chacha, man. You don't even know what they did to me, man.
Relax. Get your leg in the car, man.
That's great. All right, bet.
You got him?
Watch out, man.
There you go. He's in. Leave him, leave him. Oh, he's not gonna move his feet. He's just banging his head. Let him just bang his head. Let him just keep banging, but don't even bother trying to hobble him. Because then he's gonna try to jump back out of the car or something.
True.
Just let him. At some point he's
I
gonna.
just want him to be immobilized, right?
He's all right. At some point he's gonna knock himself unconscious.
If you go heads to the jail, we go ahead and take care of the vehicle. At least get him out of here.
Sarge wants to come down.
Okay.
Yeah, but you got a sit rep for him?
Yeah, do you want me to call him?
He wants one of us to call him to just give him an idea what happened.
The driver was ultimately taken into custody and transported to jail, where he faced multiple charges stemming from the pursuit and his alleged actions during the arrest. Thankfully, the deputy who was kicked in the chest did not suffer any serious injuries. What started as a traffic stop over a broken headlight quickly escalated into a high-speed chase, a crash, and an alleged fight with deputies. Do you think situations like this could be avoided by simply pulling over? Or do you think there's more to the story? Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoy police body cam footage, hit the like button and subscribe for more.